see how I got this look, please stay tuned for the tutorial. And before you watch, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. It starts now. Hi loves, I know I'm looking a little crazy, but I just washed my hair and blow dried off camera. I'm showing you how I went over my hair, mostly to get the roots, to get it straight before I would actually put it in a ponytail. Because if your hair is just natural, it's not going to lay as flat. So I don't typically straighten my hair, but I had to because it was not going to lay down. My hair is really curly, so it was going to be bulky and it just wasn't going to look right. So I just had to do this process over and over, you know, try to get my ponytail right. I used some gel and also some got-to-be glue gel and the spray to get my ponytail tight. I didn't wrap it up. I just let it air dry mostly because I wasn't trying to make a lot of noise. My kids were asleep, so I was trying to be as quiet as possible. But during this process, you'll be seeing me, you know, fix my ponytail over and over again, just trying to get it that perfect fit. And whew, my arms were so tired. Oh my God, I haven't done a ponytail in I think years. I don't really wear my natural hair, so I'm not really doing ponytails. So yeah, after this, I decided to, you know, start the process to bleach the frontal. I didn't pluck it or I didn't blow dry it. It actually air dried on its own. So yeah, I took the BW2 and I usually use the quick blue, but I didn't have any. And I also used the 30 developer. You want to make sure that your bleach gets to a thick consistency. I would say something like toothpaste, just so that it's not melty, like, you know, dripping everywhere. You don't want bleach all over your counters, and it's just a better consistency. So I did that. I'm so very sorry that you guys didn't get to see like a full view because I don't have my stand. It's actually coming this week, so next time I'll be able to show you guys more decent shots. So I just put that over the whole entire frontal. Like I said, I didn't pluck it. I just left it as is. I actually like this frontal a lot. I don't think you really need to pluck this frontal unless you really want to just have more of a natural look. But I just left it as is. It was fine. I think it's fine. So after this process, I let it sit for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops. And I go in with my shampoo to condition. So here I'm showing you how it looks. I usually use these two conditioners or shampoos to kind of help complete the process. Sorry, it's going a little fast, but I use those to kind of stop the process for the bleach and also to color correct. So again, I'm fixing my ponytail and trying to fit the frontal to my head. I'm just trying to really figure out how I was going to lay it down. I was rushing during this part too as well, trying to just get it done because, again, I was up so late. It was 3 a.m. and my kids were like about to wake up and, you know, I didn't want to make as much noise. So I didn't get the whole process, but I am showing you like a girth amount of it and how I was able to lay the frontal down. You will probably need to take like the end parts and like put your hair in a ponytail in the back just to help the frontal stay down a little bit. But once you get one section, you can just keep combing it. And then it's, once you get one section, yeah, it's easy for you to lay the frontal down to that. So I didn't get to show you guys how I cut the frontal. So sorry. My daughter actually woke up and I'm breastfeeding, so I had to go feed her. But when I came back, I just did my baby hairs and I'm showing you guys now the end process and how it came out. So I did my ponytail, no special type of way. I just try to get it so that it can go in the inside of the insert that the ponytail has. And so you see me, you know, inserting that in the little flap it has. So yeah, I just wrap it around. I didn't spray it or anything like that. I actually don't like to sleep with hair in my head. So, I took it out after this video. But yeah, I just wrapped it around. And so, yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy and like it. Thank you. Hi guys, so I hope you guys are digging this ponytail as much as I am. Oh wow, it literally took me a little while to do this hair, probably longer than it should have. I was up at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning trying to get this hairstyle in, and it was a hot mess. Like, I literally took, I don't know how many breaks, because right now my daughter sleeps in the bed with us. She's 3, and I'm also co-sleeping with my 3-month-old. And so I'm in the middle of trying to transition them, but I had to sneak out the bed. So you guys will see me in 2 different places, as you've seen in the video, and it was bananas.
Okay, y'all, so I'm about to give y'all the details, the exclusives. I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna give y'all some details on this hair. So excuse me, I got little baby feet right here. Hey, we have a visitor. You like mommy hair? But this hair was $13, y'all, on Amazon. And I got it in a week. I literally ordered it, I think last weekend. I just got it, yesterday. I got it yesterday. And I decided to do my ponytail. But yes, y'all, I have to go and get this hair. It's so cute. The luster on it is not too much. It doesn't even look synthetic. It matches this hair. I'm sorry, you guys. It matches this hair really good, because this hair is like a wavy texture anyways. And y'all not gonna believe this either. I got this frontal, yes, this frontal too, from Amazon. So all this whole hairstyle came from Amazon. So y'all need to go to Amazon and crop this. Crop. Y'all gonna have to forgive me right now. I can't barely talk. These kids driving me crazy, y'all. They want to be in the video too, I guess. But to further elaborate, this hair was cheap. I love it. I'm gonna buy another one. It's synthetic. Number one, it's not human hair. This is human hair. The frontal is human hair, but not the ponytail. But they go together so well, so why not pair the two? And this frontal, I believe it was like $60, and then the ponytail was $13, like I said. So it's not an expensive hairstyle, and you can wear this hairstyle with anything. This frontal, I'm gonna play with it and do some other styles, and I'm gonna come back and let y'all see. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was so skeptical when I bought this. I'm like, this is not gonna look cute. I'm gonna look like a fool. But I look bomb, y'all. It came out cute, so I'm loving it. I hope y'all go and get this. Ponytail is literally less than a burger. So I'm gonna need y'all to go and get cute. It's perfect for the summer, perfect for a date, you know, when quarantine is over. But I'm just looking cute. I'm chilling in the house, not doing much, and I want to come and, you know, look cute for Mother's Day. So I did my hair, my little ponytail. So I'm gonna buy another one of these because it's so cute. I just cannot let it go get sold out after this, because I believe it's gonna get sold out. So yeah, go get y'all one. Y'all need to hurry up, because this ponytail is just fire. Fire. So I'm in love with this hair, how it came out. This ponytail, for it to be so cheap, I mean, it's literally really cute. It's like a wet and wavy type of style. Okay, so I just want to get you guys real life view of how it looks in lighting. I am in natural lighting, and this is how it's looking. Pretty proud of myself, because this is my first time doing a frontal ponytail. So I'll give myself some props. And this is 20 inches, by the way. And it's cute. And the frontal, I think, is about 16 inches. Hey guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed my walkthrough, my tutorial of how I did this style. This is, again, my first time doing this frontal ponytail, and it came out so well. So I'm going to be trying a lot more of these type of styles, and I'm going to be purchasing some more ponytails. So if you guys have any other styles you would like to see me try, please don't forget to comment. Hit that bell button, subscribe if you have not already, because I have a lot more content coming your way. So I can't wait to share with you guys. And yes, thank you so much.